Part 2. We're going to cut these to fit. You should have 3 pieces of pattern paper and 1 piece of cardstock. Okay, and they all measure 4 by 5 1/4. And now we're going to use our template and we're going to cut these. Okay, so we're going to start with 1 of the pattern pieces, okay? And we're going to start with side 1, and we're going to put it in the same position as the card. We want it in the left corner, the 3 by 5 at the top. Okay, and we're going to put a pencil mark. Okay, and then we're going to cut it. And you can see this is going to go, this is going to fit on the front, okay? So here's the pencil line. Let's cut. Now you're going to save the triangles. So you can see there's going to be a black edge all the way around. This is the front of the card, okay? And it fits right on the front of the card. Okay, so we're going to put that aside. Now we're going to do the next piece, okay? And this piece is going to be for the inside of the card, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece, side number 2. We're going to put it in the bottom corner with a 3.5 along the bottom edge. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a pencil mark. And we're going to cut along that pencil mark. We're going to save this piece. And now this will fit in the top. Like such, with a little black around the edges. Okay? Put that aside. Now we're going to work on the bottom piece. That's going to be white. And we're going to cut this to fit. And this also is going to go side 1, like this. Okay, side 1, 3.5 at the top. Take a pencil along the open edge, and we're going to cut that right along the line. And this you can discard. We don't want this any longer. And this is going to fit in here with a black, little bit of black around the edges. Okay? So now what you want to do is put your sentiment on here. So what you're going to do is you can stamp it with a stamp. You can write on it. You can put it in your MISTI and get it perfect. It can go in the MISTI and then use a stamp. Or you can, if you want to, you can print something out on your computer and then use this to place over the writing, okay? So what you want to do is, and then trace around it, okay? Now it's going to be difficult to see, so I suggest you use a stamp. But you can do it any of those 3 ways. Okay, so go ahead and stamp your card. And remember, it's going to go into the bottom part of the card like this. So go stamp your card. And I'll be back for step number 3.